Twice, just repeat it. Second rep, a little bit higher. Yep, we'll do. Second rep, a little bit higher. Yeah, just hook it around the corner, lads. Right around the corner, right behind you. Behind you. Lunge and walk, lad, yeah. Just get 2 out each side. Again, yeah. 2. Open up, big stride. 2 reps. Right. Yeah, just a little lean on the quad, yeah. Just walk into it, lean quad. Side step, yeah, big side step. Big side step, that's it, all the way down one way, big side steps. Do another way now, easy out, other side. Yeah, we're just going backwards now, yeah. We'll do single rep now, lads, yeah, backwards. Just side on, drive in, yeah, to the line, then turn, yep. Right, no left and right side yet. Show me that little push up. And backwards yet, cross that front leg over. Little bit of movement. Little tight little movements, brilliant. Side on lads, yeah. Back foot over, all the way down one way. Back foot over, good. Good transition, yeah, flip over. Go to that stiff one, lads, yeah, try and do it in 6 or 7 steps. 6 or 7, that's it, even less if you can. Repeat that, just literally 1 or 2 hits, then go, yeah, 1 or 2 go, 1 or 2 go, then you push off. That's it. Last one, lads, you come back to the start. start. Just a big header. In and out, go. Yep. Drop, push, and just come back. Maybe start lads. Pulls in well. Boys, yeah. Also. So yeah, just move up, mate. Ball X lads, yeah. Ball on the spot, obviously. So 2 this way, plant, push off, punch. 4 X all together, yeah. Yeah, 1 2 1 2, plant, push. That's it. It's a nice little bit doing, yeah. Right, nice. That's it. Great, good. 1 2 1 2, quick push. Yeah, good moves. That's it. Pretty quick on the yellows. Yeah, big step over. Climb that push, climb that foot and push off. Nice. Yeah, CD. Yeah, wait for you out. What? Yeah, 1 2 1 2. Right, go. Not yet. Number 2 keyboards. Good. These 2 lines, a fraction longer, extra play, that's okay. Be efficient over the hurdles, lads. Be efficient. Really quick. That's it. Push off that bed. 1 2. Good, Luke. Yeah, that's it, good transition. You knock it a bit far. Benji, good. Number 3 for Alt. 3 for Alt group. Getting quick each time, lads, yeah. 3 4, real quick now. Push, push, plant, push. Good. That's it, touch. 1 2 1 2, plant, push, go. That's it, good. Well done, that's it, good. Yeah, good. Yes, Ed. Quick, that's it. Real quick. Real quick. Yes, Tam. Yes, Nemo, nice. Quick in. Come on, go. That's it, good. Quick transition, change direction. Good, well done. So you feel like you've got left knee, you'll go, that's it. Keep going. You'll find toe, yeah. Yeah, you'll find it. Then look 4. You've got extra players, that's fine. Finish off. Last couple, SNG. Good.
lads, listen in. In pink. Always a ball in with that. Now it's left and right back. Lewis Henry, the field man, Roscoe.
Follow Slappy.
Emma. Kurt, Ryan, Reed. it be Lewandowski or Muller who will want that. Engie has to close. Engie has to close this space because it can go round the corner. So Andreas, you're there, and Engie's there. Just stop it. It goes round the corner.
Legs.
Yes, he would take it up. Lovely.
Press.
Yeah, no.